Hello. Well, in this video we're going to talk about presentations. We all have to present information, be it our strategy, whether it's data information on sales, marketing, projects, whatever. And typically we're doing that through software applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint. As we all know, the problem with that is we have to keep re-editing, and if we want to look at a different view we have to go and recreate that. Well, here I'm going to show you how you can make your visual presentations very collaborative, stimulating, but also provide you different views using the same data. And also, when you create these presentations, if the data gets updated, you don't have to re-edit. The presentation is automatically updated and can be shared with anyone on a one-to-one in a team or with anyone around the world. So here we are, use the life sciences roadmap again as an example. And down here on the left you have a window that opens up to show you the presentations that have been created. What you can do, you can go here and you can manage presentations, and by clicking on this you will be able to create a new presentation. So here you can have as many presentations as you want. As you can see in this one, this has got 46 slides, this one's got 0, and this one's got 9. The default one, when somebody opens the story, is the biopharmaceutical story. So I'm just going to click that down there, close that. And I'm just going to make sure that we've got the visual presentation clicked. And what do you notice down here? I'm not going to show you the editing of how you create one, I'll do that later. But you have an editing where you can change, add comments, etc. So what I'm now going to do is, if you can imagine you want to come in and you want to show somebody a presentation, and this one just about continuous improvement and innovation, I'm going to click the play presentation, and immediately you get a full screen. And I can either play it automatically, which means that it will by default count down 4 seconds and it will move on to the next slide, slide 2. So here I have the same data of the roadmap, which is filtered by continuous innovation, going from different views. We just went from the roadmap to the timeline, now looking at the categories, now looking at it in the panel view, in the layered view. This one's looking at continuous improvement with its relationships to one another. And if we drill down further, we can now look at other parts of this with regards to risk-based compliance and its relationships. And as you can see, it's automatically moving on. So here we now can look at the innovation pipeline and the products by its dosage forms and where it is in the stage gate. And the last slide is then showing us the confidence we have with regards to the stage gate. Now if you wanted to play that manually, we can actually click back to the previous slides like so, and click back, click back, click back, and at any given time you could exit from this and you'll be on that current slide, and we could go, for example, into information that we'd want to have a look. So if we had like quality by design, for example, and we wanted to see what was inside that, we could look at the information within it and any attachments, any images, if there's any videos, if there was some minutes of meetings, what we think the outcomes will be, or its characteristics, or what comments people have made. And then we can click back out and we can then resume the presentation again from where we left off on slide 4. And I can either use the bar along here, or I can just click outward like I normally do, and just click forward without with the mouse. So here I hope you can see that this is a very quick and easy way to create more visual and collaborative presentations. And once I exit this and I want to maybe share this with people, I can do that by the sharing up here. But also, if I wanted to broadcast this and share it with the people who were logged on, I could broadcast, and here you see that I'm now broadcasting, so anyone who's viewing this will actually see the views that I go to. So as I move, so no matter where you are, whether you're in China, Japan, America, New Zealand, you are now seeing the same views of the presentation that I am, and we could be talking again, say via starting a Skype group call or using some form of teleconference. Well, I hope that's again of interest to you, and it just shows you how we can now work a lot more productively in a much more visual and collaborative way. If you want to find out more, please enter your name, your company, and your email by following the links on the opposite page, and I'll be happy to set you up and get you going. Okay, thanks.